Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it was our host is in IIT Bombay, so there was some error came. So sorry, ma'am. You can continue now. Sorry for that.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
yes,
much.
Yes, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Then what is the uses of AI? AI and machine learning to allow users to effortlessly work with data within their organization. AI can help doctors interpret patterns in patients' medical histories to help them get better care. Also for small businesses owners who could never afford to hire a dedicated data scientist, AI can help unlock hidden data, empowering businesses to create more accurate forecasts that support healthy growth. AI helps in science, also in geography and education to draw attention of seekers. AI businesses craves still requires plenty of human assistance. So we have to give importance to AI also. Now I'm going to overview. These are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every new invention or breakthrough will have both, but we as humans need to take care of that and use the positive sides of the invention to create a better world. Artificial intelligence has massive potential advantage. The key for humans will ensure the rise of the robots doesn't get out of hand. Some people also say that AI can destroy human civilization if it goes into the wrong hands. But still, none of the AI applications made at that scale that can destroy or enslave humanity. Then we are going on advantage and disadvantage. Every new invention has its own advantage and also disadvantage, as I said. The first advantage is, ma'am, may I explain it more? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead. Yes.
How much time I have, ma'am? Can I explain it?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe another 4 to 5 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I'm going to shortly. Okay, ma'am. These are some advantages. First advantage is reduction in human error. Mostly in human work, there are some errors we can found. But the phrase human error was born because human makes mistake in computers. However, do not make these mistakes. If they are programmed properly, with AI, the decisions are taken from previously gathered information, applying a certain set of algorithm. So errors are reduced and chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is possibility. Example, if in weather forecasting using AI, they have reduced the majority of human error. Second advantage is AI is available in 24 hours and 7 days of week. This is a main advantage because human power can't. It is not available for 24 in 7 days of week. Third advantage of AI is digital assistance. Some of the highly advanced organizations use digital assistants to interact with users, which saves the need for human resources. The digital assistants also use in many websites to provide things that users want. We can chat with them about what we are looking for. Some chatbots in such a way that it's become hard to determine that we are chatting with the chatbot or human beings. And this is a main advantage, faster decisions. Using AI, other technologies, we can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out action quicker. And this is the last advantage, daily applications. Daily applications such as Apple, Siri, Windows, Google's OK Google are frequently used in our daily routine, whether it is for searching a location, taking a selfie, making a phone call, replying to mail, and many more. For example, around 20 years ago, when we are planning to go somewhere, we used to ask persons, who already went there for the directions. But now we have to do is okay Google. We say we say is Google by in Marathi. कुछ भी पूछना हो तो गूगल बाई से पूछ लीजिए, यानी वी डोंट नीड एनी गाइडेंस फ्रॉम अदर पर्सन्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. So it will show you the importance of AI. AI, Purvi ma'am and Daisy ma'am said, AI also some disadvantage. And these first is a high cost creation. As AI updated to get updated with time to the latest development. And second advantage is humans lazy. It is a real fact because of AI is making human lazy with its application. Automating the majority of the work. Human tends to get addicted to this invention, which can cause a problem to future generation also. Because our students or kids are also not reading books properly. They are using phones, and they say that there are so many books, e-books are in our mobile. They are going to read, but they are not taking interest in using books in their hands. Third disadvantage is unemployment, as AI is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other works with robots. Human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problems in the employment standards. And every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with AI robots, which can do similar work with more efficiency. This is the main disadvantage. There's no emotions. There is no doubt that machines are much better when it comes to working efficiently, but they cannot replace the human connection that makes the team. And lacking out of box thinking, this is also a disadvantage of AI. Machines can perform only those tasks which they are designed or programmed to do. Anything out of that, they tend to crash or give irrelevant outputs, which could be a major backdrop. But till use of AI is very important for our kids because they likes it. This is some snapshots of using of this AI. My son is with it. And learning with these functions, it is more interesting and more fruitful for him. So I put these pics here. Thank you so much, Purvi ma'am. Sorry, hello Preeti ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. And
Thank you.
In Stuart Russell's words, that artificial intelligence can bring a golden age to humanity, but only if we have humble machines.
Yes.
So
Yes.
very well presented advantages, the disadvantages, and the kind of exponential impact that artificial intelligence is already having in our lives. And you know, things like remembering phone numbers. So you know, we are so used to the phones. You know, so it's of course taken an impact and toll on most of our cognitive abilities. But I suppose that's going to be the new normal. So definitely. It helps us work effortlessly with data. And when we talk of medicine, yes, there has been a paradigm shift in the way AI has come to for humanity. So thank you so much, ma'am. A very well presented PPT with lots of insight given to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
It is our pleasure, ma'am. Yes, now I would like to ask Amandeep, ma'am, my co-host, to share her views and to continue with the proceedings of the day.
Okay, thank you, Preeti ma'am. I think all the speakers are done. And it was really, really a storming session where everybody put a great effort, no doubt. And finally, what I concluded is that nothing can replace human intelligence. And it is of no doubt. So first of all, I want to thank Mr. Ravi Shankar for giving such a platform to all of us to discuss the topics, hot topics all around the globe. People are here and discussing their ideas and their experiences. So thank you, Ravi Shankar sir, and Dr. Preeti and Dr. Laila and all the speakers did a great job. So what I concluded, the crux of all the speaker is that we are no doubt host of artificial machines. It's a part of our daily life, but it is without empathy, without sympathy, without logics, without reason, and it's without passion. The most important feature that humans have is the passion. Whatever they do, they cannot mourn, they cannot think, they can work faster, but they can only facilitate. AI can assist, AI can engage, AI cannot be holistic and rational. AI cannot realize its mistakes that we humans do. We do the introspection and we proceed with the further correct things. So this is all about what the crux is, and everybody voted for the human intelligence. But AI is a product of human intelligence. So we
It's
should
there to
take the
stay with
benefits,
us.
leaving
It's
all
to
the
stay. Yes.
things behind. Yes. So thank you so much for joining us. And it was a great evening with you all together. So over to you, Dr. Preeti.
Is Laila ma'am there? I think we've lost connection
She
with.
has
Laila
got
ma'am,
disconnected.
where are you?
Yes, Laila
Yeah,
ma'am.
she is there. She was there, but she had lost the connection, and now she is clicking on some other meeting. I have sent the link again. I think she will join now. We are waiting for a
Ravi
request,
Shankar
but she has
sir,
not sent.
kindly show your face sometime.
Ma'am, I will show
Ravi
my
Shankar
face
sir,
because
open your
ma'am, from
camera. We
morning
want to
I'm.
see you.
Surely, ma'am, because from yesterday night I'm working so continuously.
Yes. Amazing
Too
work
much
you're
work
doing,
is
sir.
there.
Amazing work.
You are
Absolutely
working like a
commendable.
robo. Yeah.
We will still admire you. Show your face.
The most busiest group of my phone is this IDYM group.
मैम इसको और बड़ा करेंगे अभी आने वाले दिनों में. We will make it more bigger, and plan is that to with you all we can invite the cabinet minister of our country, like we'll call them and they will talk with all of you. That is the next thing we will do.
Absolutely,
This
sir.
will become a very
Definitely, sir.
big.
Looking forward to it.
Yes.
We don't want to lose any one of you. Be with us, and we'll make it very, very big team. This one.
Yes,
Sure,
sir. Yes, sir.
sir. We are with you. No
And I think
problem.
this was a good idea of having discussions and deliberations and panelists having on sharing their ideas and brainstorming over various topics. So that's also again another achievement and another milestone which
Yes.
IMF has created for itself. So yes, yes, Leila, are you there now?
Ratnesh ji has come. Ratnesh ji, are you there? Please talk with all the participants. Ratnesh Mishra ji. Ratnesh ji. I think he's also muted. Ratnesh ji.
I think Ratnesh ji is there. We can see him.
He's there, but he's... ma'am, we have a very good guest from Army School, Dr. Ramna, ma'am. I request ma'am to please unmute herself. Ramna ma'am, can you hear me? Rama ma'am.
Yes,
Rama,
I can hear you. A very good evening to one and all.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah,
Good evening.
though I joined late, I could hardly hear some part of the presentation. But yes, I totally agree. Dr. Preeti was talking about AI. Aman was talking about AI. AI is part of our life, and no doubt that humans are the basic, creators of AI. So I don't know what was the topic really, but thank you, Ravi sir, again for making me part of such an elite team. So I'm honored.
Yes, ma'am. Today only ma'am have joined our team, ma'am. She is coming from
Welcome, ma'am.
Mathura.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Would Gaurav sir like to share a few of his thoughts? Yes, Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Yes, he's been
Jacqueline
a
ma'am is also there.
regular. Yes, Gaurav.
सबसे पहले तो आप सबको मेरा हाथ जोड़ के नमस्ते and a very beautiful Sunday evening to all. Yes, no doubt. Ravi sir is doing a very fantabulous job, not for himself, for the humanity, for the mankind, right? Because we are stronger together, and we will definitely make it possible. Not now, but very soon, because inches really makes difference, and together we all are together from different domains, right? With a one clear vision, with a one clear mission, that yes, we have to nurture the future of this entire globe. This is my views, and I feel extremely proud to be the part of this community, and I look forward to do my best, whatever I can do with my knowledge and with my experience. थोड़ा बहुत experience है मैम, जितना भी है, and it being more than a decade, I am dealing with students, 11th and 12th students, college students, university students, right? Being a speaker, being a motivational speaker, I'm a parenting coach as well. I'm a life coach. I'm a neuro-linguistic programming coach as well, right? So मेरा एक ही vision है कि prepare the roots so that we don't need to repair the fruits. There was a very good gentleman called by Frederick Douglass. उन्होंने एक चीज कही थी कि it's good and it's very easier to prepare stronger kids rather than to repair broken men.
Yes.
So we all are doing this thing to prepare our upcoming generation to be more stronger by nurturing them, and according to science, whatever goes into the mind of a child till the age of 16 serves till 60. 16 साल तक जो भी माइंड में जा रहा है वो इम्पैक्ट 60 साल तक रहेगा, 60 years तक. एंड डेफिनेटली हम लोग कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए, एंड रवि सर के नए नए आइडियाज होते हैं, नई नई चीजें लेके आते हैं हम सबके लिए, और अच्छा लगता है कि एक छोटा सा गेट टुगेदर भी हो जाता है. हम एक दूसरे को कम्युनिटी में एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, बातचीत होती है, अपने थॉट सब लेके आते हैं, लाइट डालते हैं उस चीज पे, एंड इट्स गुड. It's good.
The knowledge sharing platform, sir. Knowledge sharing platform हो जाता है.
Knowledge sharing platform, because learning is earning.
Ravi sir.
Learning is earning.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
वरुण सर आपको और सुनना चाहते हैं, थोड़ा टाइम दे हमें.
Definitely.
वरुण शर्मा सर, थोड़ा और ज्ञान दें हमें, थोड़ा और आपसे सुनना चाहते हैं. Some other time, make another Zoom meeting for us.
Yes.
Definitely, I prefer to speak on life skills. Life skills before life slips, and the secret for 21st century kids. This is my favorite topic. I will definitely, if I get a chance, maybe in coming days, I will definitely try to put some light on this topic. That whatever कौन सी life skills हैं. Yes, ma'am. Please tell me. Whatever life skills, because
I have penned down all your idioms. They are very fantastic.
Because ma'am, we are talking about social skills. We are talking about emotional skills. We are talking about emotions management. We are talking about problem solving skills. We are talking about thinking skills. Because how many of you remember that you have failed in your life, one way or another? हम सब कभी ना कभी किसी चीज में फेल हुए हैं, चाहे वो स्कूल के एग्जाम्स हो, टेस्ट हो, कुछ भी हो. बट आज की जनरेशन, व्हेन दे फेल, दे लूज होप, दे लूज देयर हार्ट, राइट? एंड इंडिया टॉप्स द वर्ल्ड इन teen suicides.
Yes.
Every year, and suicide is the number 2 death cause all across the globe. 264 million people died every year just because the suicide between the age group of 15 to 29 years. And we are leading for a very wrong reason. We are leading for a very wrong reason. We are just pampering our kids like a helicopter parenting. And we are not preparing them. We are not preparing their foundation. Foundation strong नहीं है. 15-16 साल का बच्चा हो जाता है, 12वीं से निकलता है, भैया पता ही नहीं आगे करना क्या है. They are not really clear. Be it be your science student, be it be your commerce or humanities. They are. I'm not talking about the extraordinary people, because initially everyone is ordinary. If we add that extra word, that extra push, that extra desire, that extra dedication, that extra determination, and that extra discipline, then only they will switch from ordinary to extraordinary. And we all are preparing them to become a bit extraordinary from their initial age. This is my main area जिस पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Gaurav ji, this is actually a compliment for you. You are doing a fantastic job.
Yeah.
Because
Thank you,
soft
thank you,
skills
thank
are
Very good, sir.
need of
thank you so much.
has to start.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Two more person have joined. One Laila ma'am have joined us and Ratnesh ji. So yeah, I request Ratnesh ji, please unmute himself. Ratnesh ji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Ravi ji, yes.
मैम, ये आप लोगों की टीम है, आप लोग को चलाना है. आपके हाथ में पूरी, आप लोगों के हाथ में पावर है.
So we are a
जितना
family.
अच्छा
now.
करेंगे, हमारी तरफ से कुछ भी
We are a family.
आप लोग इसको
We are
जितना
a family.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So I just joined. I'm sorry I joined late. I'm actually outside, so couldn't join with the good network. But yes, the like this meeting, I don't have much words to say. This is all for you, and you have great experience in terms of the education expert. We are just the sort of tech experts with the technical backgrounds, with much more focus on building things. But you are actually building the characters. So definitely all over to you. But yes, all the very best. And this is a really
मास्क हटा लीजिए. रत्नेश जी,
just
मास्क हटा लीजिए. हम लोग ऑनलाइन है, कोरोना का कोई असर नहीं.
just a minute. Yeah. So can you hear me right now? Yeah.
अब तो अच्छे से आवाज आ रही है, बिल्कुल अच्छे से.
जी. Okay. Yeah. So actually, so wonderful platform for everyone to actually share their experience and also to help actually students build the nation and by building themselves. So thank you, Raviji, especially to come so far with which we never thought of. And when we actually started, we just started with one. So I just called on one day to Ravi sir and just told ki we'll keep one session on one Sunday. That session actually came so far and like got the chance to connect to all such experts like you all are here. So that's really wonderful. And like through this foundation, I personally got, so apart from all this satellite and technical stuff, I personally got the confidence that if you are on the right path of building something, so you definitely get the support from all possible manners. And there are people who actually care about your vision and care about what you plan to build for the nation. So I really thank everyone who has joined the IDYM Foundation, and they are helping because I totally understand there are a lot of things in the background which is going on. So in spite of all those things, you all are helping in any possible manner. So thank you everyone. So just like I personally think about these sessions and everything, like every step starts with the dream, and we are personally a foundation which is actually igniting the dream. That's it. So that's the foundation, mission and vision and everything is. So I personally feel if we are not letting them dream, not letting them study about space and satellites, basically we are actually killing them to dream about. So that's how my personal vision with this thing is, and which is going really great. So wonderful, and thank you everyone. Over to you all. No much from my side. I keep talking a lot in workshops. So over to you all. Thank you so
ma'am,
much.
on this very beautiful Sunday evening, I just need to add on one thing कि हम सब लोग अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में वाओ का बहुत यूज करते हैं. ओ वाओ, what a foundation, IDYM Foundation. Now I want to change some perception on this wow.
Okay, that's
The
interesting.
way we talk to our children become their inner voices. The way we talk about them become their life stories. Our children are not failing. It's we. We are failing every single day, every single hour. With due respect, if you are a parent, you are a teacher, you deal with children in any way means any way, then let them know, wow. First, you are worthy. I will not define you by your abilities, background, or marks. You are original. I value your uniqueness.
Yes.
What makes you you? And I will not compare you to others. Lastly, you are welcome. I will accept you as you are. I will not shame you. And I make sure that I give you an emotionally safe space to grow.
Yes, sir.
Commit to practicing wow no matter what with every child you meet. Every child is precious because there is something in everything. And our children are human beings. They are our everything. Our kids, our children, our nieces, our nephews, our students. So please let them know,
Absolutely.
wow.
Every
Thank you so
moment
much.
has to be an inspiring moment
Yes,
in their
ma'am.
life.
Laila ma'am is also there. Preeti ma'am, can you invite her?
Yes. Yes, Leila ma'am. Very well said, sir. We have to
Thank you so much.
inspire our kids. So we have to inspire and ignite that spark in them. That's very, very,
Definitely.
Yeah.
and develop their personality. You know, we tell them that love yourself first.
Yes.
Then only you will be able to reach out and you will look at things positively. So that's most important. I should love
Definitely.
me in the mirror, I and me, because there's only one me. There's no other
Yes.
me. So very well
Definitely.
said, Gaurav, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, Laila ma'am. Yes. Over
Hello,
to you, ma'am.
everyone. Hello, good evening to everyone. After listening to the wonderful speakers, I would like to tell only very few sentences. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. Once again, I will repeat, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. This is being told by Roosevelt. And we know very well that in our IDYM Foundation, under the auspicious guidance of our Ravi Shankar sir, each and every day, each and every fraction of second, new ideas are already coming up. The reason why these ideas are coming up because of the revolution, or we wanted to create the revolution in education, revolution in learning, revolution in exploration of this space, everything and everything. So we should be ready to fight change, embrace change, create change, or lead change. No matter your choice is, change is not going away. Whether it is artificial intelligence or human intelligence, we cannot say that without human intelligence, artificial intelligence will be there. Without artificial intelligence, human intelligence can survive. Just like in a case whenever the speakers were already paying emphasis on human intelligence, I was wonderfully listening. We are living in the modern world and the machine world, and more than that, we have to remember that nowadays, due to the pandemic condition, the teaching community they are struggling a lot. The students community they are struggling a lot. Without artificial intelligence, how we would have been able to give or empower that intelligence and wisdom to the children. So, in my opinion, the blending of both the things are required. That is artificial intelligence and human intelligence. We cannot say that human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. This is my humble point of view to tell everybody. And my purpose of being over here is to record the lot of time. Firstly, I would record my thanks, especially to our founder, Ravi Shankar sir, for providing this particular platform, Seed Talk. The name itself always tell the particular idea about how to talk, how to provide, or how to sow the seed, and how to empower others to speak and ponder on. So thank you so much, sir, for providing this wonderful platform. I would like to record especially my thanks to Purvi ma'am, who has already emphasized on this artificial intelligence and the human intelligence in such a manner that it was well tuned, ma'am. Salute you. And so also Kunda ma'am as well as Daisy Paul ma'am. It was wonderful experience to listen from all of you. And even Gaurav sir, Ratnesh sir, everybody has already spoken. Yeah, and Ratnesh sir has already told that we have a dream that I like. Without dream, there is no life. And without life, there is no dream also. That's what we have to remember. So ultimately, I want to tell that both the things, the blending of human intelligence and artificial intelligence are a must, and we have to go for that. And mimicking human activity and human intelligence always facilitates artificial intelligence. These are the main points I have already taken from the speakers, and I will look forward that, and I will ponder on that, and I will try my level best to inculcate the same thing about the wonderful speakers I have already pointed out. Thanks a lot. Stay blessed.
Thank you so much, everyone, for that very, very enriching and thought-provoking discussion. And thank you, Laila ma'am. Thank you, all the speakers, Purvi ma'am, Daisy ma'am, Kunda ma'am, and Gaurav sir. It was a pleasure to listen to you. And of course, Ratnesh sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you, Ravi, for creating this platform for us. And Amandeep, thank you so much for being there with me. So I think
always.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll just take a few seconds. I will not take a minute, but just would like to thank IDYM, Mr. Ravi Shankar, for this great platform, for this great initiative. Or जो गौरव सर ने बोला, I can totally relate to what he's saying, क्योंकि I do the same with the students here in Canada as well. तो बच्चे बच्चे ही होते हैं, चाहे वो कनाडा के हो चाहे वो इंडिया के हो, सोच उनकी सेम ही होती है. And I can totally relate what he's trying to say, because when I talk to the student, वो तुरंत instant result चाहते हैं, right? Because they have not been taught कि हाँ थोड़ा सा patience लगेगा आपको, you have to achieve, आपको effort करना पड़ेगा, and then you will be able to get that. But वो चाहते हैं कि वो जाएं और आपको 6 महीने में सब कुछ मिल जाए, which is not possible. So I totally agree, Mr. Gaurav, that whatever you have said, आपने जो भी कहा, जो भी कर रहे हैं, it's I can totally relate what you're trying to do and what your passion is, and I am really grateful for this IDYM Foundation that I met these amazing people out here, and thank you, Mr. Ravi Shankar, as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Ravi sir. And Gaurav sir, हम आपको सुनना चाहते हैं लाइफ स्किल और 21st century goals पे. We are eager to listen you. Hope we will meet soon. And thank you IDYM team for this great platform. बहुत अच्छा लगा आज, और अपने ज्ञान, एक दूसरे का ज्ञान बांटने में एक बड़ा आनंद है, और हमारा we could gain our knowledge also because of this. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
ma'am, so can we close the session?
Yes, sir. So we end the first Seed Talks, episode 1 of Seed Talks. Thank you everyone for being there today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Nice seeing you all.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Thank you so much.